My name is Samath. Today's lesson, I am going to explain you how to use there are and have in English. As I observe, there are some Cambodian students, they confuse when to use there are and have in English. Okay, so I have some sentences here on the whiteboard. Let's read and analyze together. Okay. In A, have 6 people in my family. And one more, there are 6 people in my family. Okay, so within the 2 sentences here, which one is correct? Okay, have 6 people in my family. So in this sentence is wrong English. So you cross it. Okay, there are 6 people in my family. So this sentence is correct. Okay, so note, never begin a sentence with have. Okay, so this is a very special note that you have to take into your account. So from now on, never start a sentence with have in English. Okay, so when you start with have, okay, in English, that is wrong English. Okay. B, but I don't mean having, okay, because having we have gerund phrase, okay. But in this case, we just start with have. Never begins have in a sentence, okay. When you begin have in a sentence, that is wrong English. B, if there is a subject, then you can use have. So when there is a subject, we can use have. But if there no subject, use there are. Okay. So again, if there is subject, you can use have. Without subject, we use there are. Okay. So please read in C. My class has 25 students. And one more. In my class has 25 students. Okay. So in C here, we have 2 sentences. Which one is correct English and which one is wrong English? Okay. So let's analyze together. My class has 25 students. This one is correct. Okay. So my class is the subject in the sentence, and the main verb has, it belongs to my class. Okay, so this one is correct. But another sentence, in my class has 25 students. Okay, so I see that in this sentence is so popular to Cambodian students. They always use this sentence, and then they think that it is so correct, but that is really wrong English. Okay, so in this sentence there is no subject. Okay, why? Because you see here, in my class, so in my class is a prepositional phrase. Okay, so prepositional phrase cannot function as the subject in a sentence. Okay, so it means that the main verb has does not belong to any subject in this sentence. So this sentence is wrong. Okay, so remember, never start your sentence, never speak the sentence like this. In my class has 25 students. You will never say, in my family has 5 people. That is wrong English. Okay, so the correct one here in D. Okay, please take a look at D. In my class, there are 25 students. That is correct English. Okay, in my class, that is prepositional phrase, and then we use comma. When you place prepositional phrase at the beginning of the sentence, so we use comma. Okay, so we start with there are. Okay, we start with there are. So that's all for my lesson today. I hope that you understand this lesson very well, and you know how to use, when to use there are, and when to use have. Okay, so if you have any question, please give comment under this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.